Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. I hope you are doing well. So today we have a nice Olympiad mathematics problem that is 27 to the power x plus x is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, there are actually two methods. So we are going to solve from method number 1 first. That is, here we have our first method. So according to this method, we are going to write our problem 27 to the power x plus x is equal to 0. Now here that 27 to the power x plus x, if we just shift this plus x to our right hand side, so we have 27 to the power x is equal to minus x. Now take power 1 over x on both hand sides. So we have 27 to the power x whole to the power 1 over x. Similarly on our right hand side it will be minus x to the power 1 over x. Now as we know that by exponential identity, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, then it is equal to a to the power m times n. So applying this identity here, we will get 27 to the power, here we have x times 1 over x, and is equal to minus x to the power 1 over x. On our left hand side, this x can be cancelled out with x, so we get, if we just shift on this minus x to the power 1 over x to our left hand side, then it will be equal to 27. Now let us consider, if we are going to just suppose that, let here we have 1 over x, this 1 over x is equal to, that is minus y. 1 over x is equal to minus y, and we also write this one, that here we have, if we just find the value of this minus x, so minus x will be 1 over y. Similarly, we have the value of x, shifting this negative sign, so we have x is equal to minus 1 over y. Here we have just supposed that. Now applying these values here, so by substitution we get minus x is equal to 1 over y, so it will be 1 over y whole to the power 1 over y whole to the power, this 1 over x is equal to minus y, so here we just write minus y, that is equal to 27. Now our job is to find the value of y here. So as we know that by algebraic identity, if we have 1 over a, then it can be written as a to the power minus 1. So here 1 over y is equal to y to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus y, that is equal to 27. Now according to a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So here minus 1 times minus y, we get y to the power minus times minus is plus, we get y to the power y, which is equal to this 27. So 27 can also be written as 3 cubed. Here comparing the exponents or bases, so we get the value of y is equal to 3. Now we have find out the value of y, which is equal to 3. Now we have to just recall that here x is equal to minus 1 over y. Now putting the value of y, we get x is equal to minus 1 over 3. So it is the final value of x from method number 1. Now we are going to solve the same problem by method number 2. Here we have our second method, that according to method number 2, first of all we have to write our problem, that is 27 to the power x plus x is equal to 0. Now if we just divide 27 to the power x by each term, then we get 27 to the power x over 27 to the power x. Similarly, x over 27 to the power x is equal to 0 over 27 to the power x. Now this 27 to the power x is cancelled out with 27 to the power x, we get 1. And here we have plus x over 27 to the power x is equal to 0. Now shifting this positive 1 to our right hand side, we get x over 27 to the power x is equal to minus 1. Here that x, this 1 over 27 to the power x can be written as we know that if we have a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power minus n. So here we have that times 27 to the power minus x is equal to minus 1. Now as we have to find the value of x, so for this purpose we are going to use Lambert W function here. So as we know that according to Lambert W function, that Lambert W function times a times e to the power a is equal to a. So here we see that this a, this expression and this expression is same, so we get the same expression to our right hand side. Now here we see that here we have x and it is minus x. So first of all we make this x is negative x. For this purpose we have to multiply minus 1 on both hand side. So here we have minus 1 multiplied by x times 27 to the power minus x, which is equal to minus 1 times minus 1. Now it will be minus x times 27 to the power minus x is equal to minus times minus is plus, we get 1. Now here we see that it is exponential, so there is no exponential. We have to just write here exponential. Now we know that if we have e to the power natural log of a is equal to a. Similarly, if we write e to the power natural log of 27, it will be equal to 27. So here minus x times this 27 can also be written as e to the power natural log of 27 whole to the power minus x, which is equal to 1. Now by using exponential laws we get minus x times e to the power, it can be written as minus x times natural log of 27, which is equal to 1. Now we see that here we have minus x natural log of 27 and it is only minus x. So natural log of 27 is missing here. We have to multiply by natural log of 27 on both hand side. So multiplying by natural log of 27 on both hand side, Now that minus x times natural log of 27 times e to the power minus x natural log of 27 is equal to 1 times natural log of 27 is equal to natural log of 27. Now we have to just solve this natural log of 27. So it is equal to natural log of 27 can be written as 3 cubed. Now using logarithm powers law, if we have natural log of a to the power m, it is equal to m natural log of a. So here it can be written as 3 times natural log of 3. Now here our left hand side is minus x times natural log of 27 times e to the power minus x natural log of 27. So our next step will be now minus x natural log of 27 times e to the power minus x natural log of 27 is equal to, this 3 can be written as natural log of 3 times this 3 can be written as that e to the power natural log of 3, because we know that if we have e to the power natural log of a, it is equal to a. So this 3 is e to the power natural log of 3 is equal to 3. Now here we see that and this expression and this one is same. Similarly on left hand side both are same. Now we are going to use Lambert W function. So applying Lambert W function here, which is very interesting function for solving mathematical problem. So here we have applying Lambert W function. Now left hand side will be Lambert W function times minus x natural log of 27 times e to the power minus x natural log of 27 that is equal to Lambert W function times natural log of 3 times e to the power natural log of 3. So according to Lambert W function, it will be equal to, this term is same as this one. So we have minus x natural log of 27 is equal to, now our left hand side is, here natural log of 3 and natural log of 3 are same. So we just write natural log of 3. Now minus x natural log of 27 can be written as 3 cubed, which is equal to natural log of 3. So applying logarithm powers law, we get minus x. Here we have 3 times natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 3. So this 3 times x can be written as minus 3x, and natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 3. Now if we divide natural log of 3 on both hand side, so we have natural log of 3. It is cancelled out with this one, so natural log of 3 is cancelled out with natural log of 3. We get minus 3 times x is equal to 1. Now dividing minus 3 on both hand side, here it will be cancelled, so we get the final value of x is minus 1 over 3, which is the same as we have found out from our method number 1. Now we can verify this value by putting this value in our problem. Now recall our problem, 27 to the power x plus x is equal to 0. Here 27 can be written as 3 cubed and value of x is minus 1 over 3. So plus, here we just put minus 1 over 3, is it equal to 0. Now this 3 is cancelled out, we get 3 to the power minus 1, and here plus time minus is minus 1 over 3, is it equal to 0. So 3 to the power minus 1 can also be written as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, is it equal to 0. So yes, this positive and negative is cancelled out with each other, we get 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. Finally, we have proved that x is equal to minus 1 over 3. It is valid value of x for this problem. Now we are going to just review our problem step by step. It was our method number 2, that is we have solved the value of x, which is minus 1 over 3. Now it is the answer of our first method, that is the same, x is equal to minus 1 over 3. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.